Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new on this channel, please remember to subscribe guys. So today I want to do something that is quite unique. And I want all of us to participate on this video. I know I'm recording, you guys are not there, but what I request from you guys is before you go to go through the video, please make a stop. Please pause the video so that you can see how you are going to understand the price action, the way market is moving. So for today, I'm going to use H4 and try to understand a bit of price action of what was happening on this price action. So like the way you see it, what do you see and what do you think about this price action? And also, what I'm gonna do, I'll show you guys my entries and why I took my entry on this level. And I'll show you another entry. I show one of my video, the entry of my brothers. Then why also it took that entry after the analysis. Then I'll give you those reasons in this video. So before I start, I'm just gonna give you maybe 30 seconds for you just to look at the chart and think what you see. If you are just analyzing this market, what are you gonna do? So this is the chrono start now. I'm giving you that 30 seconds for you guys to see how the price action was going to happen if you are able to trade it live. So if you can check properly on this one, we've got this market that make a stop on this area. Then if we zoom properly, then you see where market make a stop because we've got inefficiency here. Market make a stop and start going up. So when market is going up, you see this block here. On this block, markets make a stop, then start consolidating here, then market return with this movement up to this block. Then from here, they buy because they know here there is a liquidity. So what they did, they target all liquidity from people here because all people that they've been selling, they put their stop loss somewhere here. If we can check properly, they fake out on this area, they go up, they mitigate this area. Let me show you on H8. You see why they are selling there. So if you can check properly, do you see why they are selling on this level here? Markets get on this area, mitigate the area that is on this zone, then they start coming down again. Then if you check again from here, why market is buying? If you can check, we've got a block that is there. Markets return to this block, mitigate this strong level of demand, then they start pushing up. Now they get on this area again, they start selling. So I'll give you a reason why they're selling from that area and what do you expect next. This is what I'll do. So for that, let me go back to H4 because this one I want to show you with H4. So before I continue telling you what I see on this market, I want to show you first my entry. Where is my entry? Okay, this is my entry. You see where I took my entry? My entry is here. So I'm holding this a bit late because I made the analysis. Then I realized like, okay, the analysis is playing properly. So why I didn't take the trades on top? I'm supposed to take it on top to take a snipe entry. But since I was not in front of my chart, I forgot to left the pending order. Then I just took it somewhere here because I know the price action is still valid and I know where market is going. So this is the price action that you are going to study, me and you guys. Then I'll give you all the reason. So this is how I approach this market. If I want to trade this one, this is how I approach this market. Because if you can check here, we've got liquidity. Then here we've got another liquidity. This was our range. Then market was playing inside the range. Then inside also we had this low point here to this high. Then market return here, mitigates the block, the one that is here, then they push up on the level of liquidity, they come again more down to this area, then they start buying. So this area, what I'm gonna do, let me show you guys. They come down here, then they start buying. So when they bought, check the way they did. The target was where to take out all this bunch of liquidity, the one that is here. They print a new level of liquidity. This is what we call a buy side liquidity. Now check what happened. They drop these markets down. So when they're dropping, see what happened here. Here they pull back. They're trying to go back again, but they fail to push up more. Then they drop this market down. After they take out this level of liquidity, the one that is here, they print a new liquidity. then market start going up. Here we've got the SR flip, where markets come and react to it, then markets drop again. So if we can check, market now starts creating liquidity. We create a liquidity again on this zone. Then they fake out again on this area here. As you can check, they drop again more down. But if you can check properly, we've got a sort of like QML on this zone here. This zone here, if you can check, is like a QML, because here is a low high, low, lower low. Then here they create a higher high, they come down again, they buy. Check where market is selling again. Market is selling again because we've got a QML that is here, liquidity, and this is the MPL, maximum pen level. They get again on this area. Do you see what is happening here? They touch this MPL, the liquidity on the MPL on top there. Then this is where they start selling. This is where could be my entry, because I was sure about this level, that this level is going to give us a perfect entry. And check there again on top, we've got a strong level of supplier. Then here we have a liquidity void. This movement is the void. As you can check, market push up with a proper price action going up without any bearish candlestick. So we've got the 50%, and here we've got rally, bears rally. Then we're expecting, if market break this 50%, then market is gonna come here, then we're gonna buy up until this zone. This is when we look at for another sell. So this is what I'm expecting on V75 so far. So if you can check, market builds a liquidity again on this area. We test this area almost twice, then market break, we create this stop, it goes up, then market return again down. And check here, proper liquidity area. Here we have our sell side liquidity down and buy side liquidity. So this is what I wanted to show, guys. I took this entry because of this level. I took my entry somewhere here, then market is going with me down. Then try also to go copy this same chart, put it in your meta trades, try to understand the price action. How did I approach this market? Then you'll be able also next time to do the same. So let me show you guys the second things that I told you is this one. So for this one, I'm gonna use M30. I'm gonna use M30. It's gonna be just a quick one, because this is just a review of what is happening and how market is going from what uh, we did last time. I explained to you guys. If you can check, we've got this level of liquidity, the one that is here. By the way, let me show you the entry. This was the first entry. If you remember, I show you guys this entry on the first video. If you can, I'll put that video on the comments so that you can check it also. And this is the entry from this analysis. Do you see where the entries and where market is going? Up until we took this entry, market continued dropping. So the entry was here. This is where was entry. We snap this entry here. You see here, market create a high, market create a lower low, we create a higher high, then the market drop down. So when market drop down, which candlestick the institution they use to take out this liquidity? They use this candlestick to come and take out this liquidity. We create a new liquidity. This is the one that we call lower low. So when market is going up, check, we create this block. Market raise up, get on this area. Because of this block, the one we have here, market start coming down. When market is coming down, if you can pay attention more, you see this area here. Market creates a higher low and higher high. This is a lower low. So for most of people, what they do, they expect market to come and do it and sell from this area. Then what happened? Market fell to come and did what? And sell on this area. Already this is what we call a diamond QML failed, because it failed to sell from this area, because we're expecting a big sell to come down. But at the end of the day, if you realize we've got a strong QML, the one that is on top, with the maximum pen level king, the one that is on top. And for people that they're using, most of people that are using blocks and other stuff, they'll say they're waiting for market to come and test this level so that they can start selling. But check what happened, where market starts selling. Market sell from here before even get to open up to 50% of this block. Then market drop crazy, you know. And here, check what happened, how they use 50% properly just to push market more up. So you could take a buyer here, and your TP is on this zone. Then from here, you just get another sell position. Then you hold your sell. Let me show you guys our main days since this analysis. Our main days. What is the chart? What is the chart? Okay, the chart is here. Our main days: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.